Hi guys and welcome back. Today I have a special guest in the studio. Oh, there he is. This is my son Jackson.
Don't make me laugh.
And he is going to do pottery. So he's done pottery maybe once like 5 years ago.
I've done it twice, and I made one tiny wheel, like tiny little dish thing. That was really cute. And then the other one was a sad mess. So yeah,
Okay.
This is gonna be my first genuine time trying.
So this will be awesome.
With unlimited
And he hasn't really
time.
had any instruction. He's just sort of watched a couple videos. So without further ado, here's Jackson on the pottery wheel.
Yay! Can I start it? Woo! Sounds angry. Oh my gosh. I'm a pottery shamer! 1 second, wait. This is stupid. I need to bring it down. Wait, could I just chuck water on it? Awesome. Pottery's gooey. So, to make a bowl, I'm really bad at bowling. Potterying. This is gonna be a YouTube video, right?
Yep.
Oh my gosh.
You're gonna be infamous.
Infamous. Or is it infamous? I thought it was pronounced. Okay. Center yourself! Oh my gosh. I have no idea what I'm doing. This is going crazy. Oh, you are not centered at all. Where is the center? Go here? Yeah! Okay. Can I just nudge it? How do you do pottery?
Here, I'll give you some tips.
It's insane.
That's good that
it's just magic.
Yeah, that's kind of magic. So get some more water. You don't want to stick to it. No, you just have to get your hands wet. You don't have to take a pool of water. Yeah. And then push down on the top a little bit to get that bump out of the way. There you go. All right. Now, brace your elbows into your body. There you go. You might even put one foot behind you a little bit. Yeah. There you go. Oh, you're so much more stable now. Yeah. And then just slow, steady pushing. It's looking better. Do the same thing you were just doing. One hand on the side, and your thumb over the top, or you can even make a fist like this on the top, like you're punching it. Yep.
Oh, whoa!
Keep your hands.
Holy moly!
Keep your hands connected. Push your hands together. Yeah. There you go.
This is crazy.
And then every once in a while, just dip one hand in the water so you don't get too sticky. There you go. Do that again now. Put one fist and one hand, and push them together. Good. Just gentle pressure.
I think I'm making a plate.
Yeah, yeah.
I want to make a plate.
Yeah. Go for it.
My hands are sticky.
You're doing great.
Oh, wow, that's a lot of pottery. Okay.
That can all go in the bucket.
1 second, that's okay. Just kind of rub it in. No, bucket. So, how are you at home during the pandemic? I know I can't hear you, but think about it. It's a question. I'm gonna make a chip and dip.
Nice.
Oh, dude. Oh, I'm gonna make a chip and dip. Because last night I had nachos for dinner, and those were pretty good. Oh, no! My chip and dip. This is not a hot chip and dip. I'm gonna try to recenter it. No! Oh, shoot. Oh my gosh. This is... Stay. This is terrible. Who signed me up for this? So... Hole. I'm his kid, by the way. So it's his fault. Yeah! Is it on there? No. Wait. Did I get it? Yeah, I got it. So, like you said last time, make it into a ball. Oh, last video I watched, I guess. Fist, hand. Duh. How do you make pottery? This is insane. Like, it's just a lump. It's just a lump on a spinning plate.
Should I help?
Yeah.
Alright.
I want to make a chip and dip.
I'll help get it started for you.
It's nothing. You are nothing. Like your hands are so clean, and I'm a swamp monster over here. Yeah. I'm not actually the cleanest person, but the pottery is just sticky and uncomfortable. And I guess it runs in the family. Stickiness is not something we like.
Yeah, we don't like stickiness. There.
What the heck? And I couldn't do that?
We've only done it once.
What's so special about
Here,
you?
I'll steal this and look at my hands up.
Could you pull my pants up for me? They're falling.
You know when that happens.
But they're also, like, slippery.
Yeah, you ready?
I swear, if you give me a wedgie.
That would be good for the video.
Chip and dip.
I like that you haven't made a bowl before and you're like, well, you made two.
I'm gonna make a chip and dip.
I'm gonna make a chip and dip. I like your ambition.
Last time you just made a bowl and it flopped. And that was chip and dip enough. Alright, I think there's the dip. I had a dream last night. This might be weird to tell random people on the internet, but whatever. That aliens came over to our house, but they were like this tall, I guess. But all of them tried eating our cat. Another one, all of them also thought our dog was a god, and then our other cat gave birth to a litter of baby green cats. Don't ask me. My brain's just messed up. But it was a weird dream. I woke up and I was like, what am I on?
Well, there's your chip and dip.
That's a dip. That's a dip. Not much dip.
Yeah. A little bit of dip, a little bit of chips.
A bit of chip. Yep, there we go. Is Sandman, because he can turn into mud, but could he make as good of a chip and dip as I can? He can probably make better. Small chip. Oh, whoa, that's a nice looking dip there. My chip and dip's gonna be the talk of the town. Everyone's gonna be like, hey, you seen Jackson's chip and dip? Mostly because everybody's just gonna be embarrassed. And they're gonna be planning on moving. But who cares? What?
Awesome.
Beautiful! Oh man, I suck at pottery. Don't need to tell me. I do not have a gift with pottery. I knew I was probably not gonna get anywhere today, but in the back of my head, I'm like, I'm a pottery master! And I thought I was gonna be amazing, because last times I made pottery, I made one good thing,
I can't wait till you practice some more, and then I can do a video of you when you actually are a pottery master.
What are you saying? I'm not right now?
You just said that. And I'm agreeing.
I need more pottery.
You're doing great, though. Is it done? Oh! Oh!
I like this shirt anyways. I think this is the best thing I've ever made. See you later.
Thanks for watching, guys. This is Jackson. First, maybe second day on the pottery wheel ever. We're going to make this happen again. Because he's going to be a pottery master.
Oh, I still have milk. If I grab the mug with these hands, you're probably going to kill me? No?
Do it.
Ah. That door's giving me the heebie-jeebies.
Which one?
That one.
Go close it.
Ah, that was loud. Yeah. Can you see me now?
Nope.
I want to do a blooper of me getting down and be like, can you see me? So I forgot this thing. Oh.
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Is that what you're trying to do?
Exactly. What if I'm like, hey? I think the camera angle's fine, honestly, because I'm just a kid. Who knows? Wow, there's spiderwebs up there. This place looks old.
It is a dingy basement.
We're in a dungeon, obviously.
Here, why don't you pat that into a round ball.
Does it have to be round?
It's going to be way better if it's round. Hold on, let me see if this is working. Beautiful.
Not strong.
Take your
I watched your videos. I saw you being like, people.
That was just one way that some people do it.
Well, I guess I'm
There are
some people.
lots of
I'm some people.
That was like the first time I've ever done that in a video.